Hi guys, Joe here from Ultraframe Windows and Doors at Matraville. We've just got a little display here just to be able to show you a bit more simpler and side by side the different window options. There are three window options here, which is the awning, tilt and turn encasement. They all have key locking handles. This one is the awning, which will open fully out from the bottom, and then when it comes back, if you want to leave it into a night vent facility, you just open it out slightly and that will just let fresh air in. So that's your awning window. Moving along, we've got the tilt and turn window, which in position 1 will open round, so very good for cleaning and reaching out to clean other windows. And then position 2 is the tilt, which is then for letting fresh air in. Same again, key locking handle, tilt and turn window, plenty of ventilation through there. And then moving on to the casement window, principally the same as the awning window. Open it slightly, put it on the night vent facility, that will just let some fresh air in, or then open it fully round, and then obviously it will let more air in. So they're the three windows, just side by side, just as a bit of a show that you know what the differences are between the three. You can glaze them between 24mm to 41mm, so depending what double glazing you put into them will also then have an impact on how much of a noise reduction window that will become. But they're all very, very good for noise reduction windows. I hope that helps, and thank you for your time.